equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. And I'm not sure if you guys have seen the app or the website Wish, but there's a lot of people that go on there, buy stuff, and then do review videos, which actually end up turning out to be fail videos because these products are so bad. But my curiosity was spiked when I found a pair of tall riding boots. And I was like, tall riding boots? That seems a little too good to be true, but let's look them up. So I looked at a lot of different ads for tall riding boots, and then I found these, and they said they were 90% off and like $17. And I was like, I could get a pair of tall riding boots for $17? Well, how bad can they be? And when I actually clicked on the link for the tall riding boots and I put in what I wanted, which was a size 8 in women's, the price went from like, I think it was $15 or $17 all the way up to $34. But by this time they had me hooked, and I was like, I really want to see if these boots are everything they claim to be. Well, number one, they come from China. Not saying anything bad about China, but cheap stuff from China usually isn't the best quality. So I was like, you know what, let's just give it a try. So they were $34 plus $9 for shipping, which when you consider it's coming all the way from China, isn't really too expensive. You do have to wait a little bit longer, but about 2 weeks after I placed my order, my tall riding boots came. And this is how they are packaged. Not too sure about this, but let's see what they're like. All right, so this is the unboxing, unveiling, whatever you want to call it, of my tall riding boots. Okay. Ooh, it smells. These are the tall riding boots. Which is similar to the picture, but not anything like the picture. Oh, wait a minute, they're folded down. Okay. Well, I don't know. Definitely not what I had expected, but I'm gonna go try them on and we'll see how bad they really are. These are pretty bad, pretty bad. Not gonna lie, they're pretty bad. All right, so these boots are pretty horrible. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. These are not riding boots by any stretch of the imagination, which does it surprise me? Not really, but at the same time, isn't there something called false advertising? The boots in this picture are nothing like these. Okay, maybe they're a little bit like these because they're black, but they are not leather. There is no way these are made of leather. No, absolutely no way. The lining is basically felt, and I mean, it doesn't even smell like leather. It has a really bad chemical smell to it. The boots are super soft. I mean, I can push my finger down on it and it leaves a dent in the boot itself. The biggest thing is they smell really bad. Are these riding boots? No way. They aren't horribly uncomfortable, but I'm pretty sure that they might last maybe 1 or 2 wearings. And the way that the tops bunch out, there's no way I'm going to wear these anywhere in public. I mean, they keep my feet warm, but there's no support in the bottom of the shoe, so it's pretty much just flat. It's kind of not anything really. So these so-called equestrian boots are a total flop. I don't even think I would wear them for a Halloween costume, mainly because the sides are so big. They're definitely not worth $34, not worth $20. I don't even think these are worth like $10. So maybe they are. I mean, if you just wanted to wear a pair of boots, but I think the sizing is pretty far off too, because I wear a 7.5 to an 8, and my toe is about there. So the sizing is off, the calves are huge, the leather is not really leather, it's more of a pleather. And I think the only good thing that these boots are for is to show you guys don't buy these on Wish, which makes me think a lot of the things that are advertised on Wish are probably the same quality as these boots. And if it is, definitely not worth your time, your money, and your hopes and dreams, because, you know, we all want really cool stuff, and to get a really good deal on it is awesome. But I guess the saying is true, you get what you pay for, and if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. These boots definitely fit into that category, so don't waste your time or money, not even for a Halloween costume. And I found a lot of equestrian items that, number one, were way overpriced. Number two, if they're the same quality as these boots, it's horrible. I wouldn't recommend anyone to buy anything horse related on Wish. Probably not anything related on Wish. I wish it were true. But again, don't waste your time or money. Go to the places that we know we can find great equestrian items, like Riding Warehouse, Jeffers Equine, Dover Saddlery. Sometimes even on Amazon you can get good deals. But you have to be careful there too, because you might end up with these. I can honestly say that will be the last time I ever buy anything from Wish. And hopefully I saved you from spending some of your hard-earned money too, because definitely not worth it at all by any stretch of the imagination. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other horse-related DIY and product review videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.